Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mazda 3 key. First, let's identify the common problems you might encounter. Often, it's a simple dead battery, or perhaps the case is worn out. We'll walk through the steps to diagnose these issues and get your key fob working perfectly again. You'll be surprised how easy it is to bring your key back to life with just a few simple tools. Replacing the battery is usually the first step. Gently pry open your key fob shell, often along a seam, using a small flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Note its type, typically a CR2025 or CR2032. Remove it and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. If your key fob case is cracked or the buttons are worn, a replacement case can make it feel new. After opening the old fob, carefully transfer the internal circuit board into the new case. Make sure all the rubber buttons align perfectly with the circuit board's contacts. Then, simply snap the new case halves together firmly. This simple swap can greatly extend your key's life. Sometimes, after a battery change or case replacement, your key fob might need reprogramming. While many Mazda 3 models automatically reconnect, some may require a simple manual procedure. Consult your car's manual for specific steps, which often involve a sequence of door openings and key turns. Once complete, test all buttons to ensure your key fob is fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.